After the Romans left Britain in AD 410, the land was left open to attack from barbarian tribes. The tribes that invaded England mostly came across the North Sea and are known as Germanic tribes, because they came from Central Europe and Scandinavia. These tribes fought amongst themselves and with the native Britons. Over time, their cultures and identities merged, and they became known as the Anglo-Saxons. By the start of the 8th century, 7 Anglo-Saxon kingdoms had emerged. Major kingdoms: East Anglia, Mercia, Northumbria, with its sub-kingdoms of Mercia and Deira, Wessex. Minor kingdoms: Essex, Kent, Sussex. These kingdoms were often at war with each other, so their boundaries weren't fixed. At this time, Britain hadn't been divided into 3 separate countries either. So the Kingdom of Mercia included parts of modern-day Wales, while the Kingdom of Northumbria included parts of modern-day Scotland.